Well, I got it in there, and I end up using, see how that's nice and spongy there? I end up using this old raggedy tool here, and I reversed it. Anyway, so the next thing he says to do is to, hell, I don't know. I should have checked before he came back. Before I came back, let's see.
Install the inner and outer converter clutch valve springs.
Put this thing in,
Put fluid on the valve.
then this, and put this side in first,
Install it with the smaller diameter end in first.
like this.
Use a small screwdriver to make sure the valve is screwed completely before removing.
All right.
If the fit is a little tight, tap it gently with a screwdriver and make
All right, I got it. So now the cover. Oh my gosh, where is the cover? Oh no. I got to find the cover, guy. There's another spring over there. What the hell? Look at this spring over there. Man, I hope I didn't mess up. Hope I did not mess up, because that is a really fat spring right there. That is a big spring there. Big spring. Was it supposed to go in this hole? This spring, oh man, that's a big spring. And that spring's supposed to go somewhere. I need to find out where, what I did. Talk to y'all later.